Installing a fire should always be done by a qualified or experienced wood fire installer. By knowing and understanding some of the requirements, this may help you to decide which fire you want to install and where you can place it in your home. Masport strongly recommends to use accredited installers trained by the New Zealand Home Heating Association. All wood fires in New Zealand must comply to safety standards. All Masport fires are safety tested and come with details of the required clearances to combustible surroundings. It's important to check this and measure your space carefully to avoid disappointment. Each Masport model has different clearances and floor protector measurements, so be sure to check this to make sure it will fit in your home. These details can be found on our website, so you can measure up the space you want to install the fire in. All Masport freestanding fires are designed and safety tested to only require an ash floor protector. Clean and minimal, our modern floor protectors complement the look of our fire, meaning you no longer require a built-up hearth. Of course, there is nothing to stop you from installing a hearth if this is your preference. You should always consult your local specialist and installer before finalising your purchase. For more tips and tricks, such as steps to deciding which fire is the best for you, please check out our other videos at www.masportheating.co.nz.